I'm audible, right? All of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So yesterday, what are the things that we performed? And just to go through this review. Okay. So we installed launch EC2, T2, large machine. It's with Ubuntu. Okay. Ubuntu.
Um, could you please
Yes.
increase the font size? It's very, very small. Like
Sure. Sure.
zoom in or something. Yeah.
Now it's fine.
Yes.
The second thing we installed Docker and run SonarCube. Install Jenkins and do the necessary configuration, right? Integrating with SonarCube and configure tools with tools, adding credentials, etc. Install Trivy on EC2, Trivy and make file. Okay, make. These are the things that we perform yesterday. Okay, so today I'll show you. So this is a dashboard, but I configured everything yesterday, like added the plugins, then go to the Jenkins, manage Jenkins. We added all the record tools configuration and everything. I just go through the same scenario. So go to tools. So this is Jenkins tools, okay, where we managing tools. So here you can see, first we configure the JDK, given the name JDK, and the version we are going with the 17.09%. Okay. Then we configure Sonar Cube scanner installation. We provided the name Sonar scanner for the Sonar Cube scanner. Then the version we selected 4.80 to 856. Then the dependency checks. We given the name DZ and the version of dependency check is 6.5.1. Then we added Docker. We provide the name Docker tool like Docker, and it will download the latest version from docker.com. So we selected that all the things. Then go back to manage Jenkins once again, and we I will show you the system configurations. So go to system. Here we added that Sonar Cube server. Okay. We successfully added that selected environment variables. And here you can see we provide the name Sonar and provide the Sonar IP with the port number. And also choose that Sonar token that we already created in that credentials. Okay. So these are things from here. Left those, then we can leave. Then go to dashboard. Okay. I will create that project again once again. So go to new item. So here the item is pipeline. Okay, select pipeline and give the name. Okay. And in this case, we are going with the Groovy script. So we have already that Groovy script. So everything mentioned in that script. See, this is my script, and I'm copying, scroll down, and here we can see the pipeline option. So here under the script, we can paste the script. So it's starting from pipeline and added that tool. The name we provided in the configuration is JDK. Sonar Scanner is the name that we provided. For dependency checking, we need to mention the tool name that we provided in the Jenkins, that is DC. So the Sonar Cube stage will, this block will create a project name, python.web app. That project created in the Sonar Cube. Okay. Whenever we're running the script. Then coming to Docker build. Okay. It will run the Docker build using Docker file that belongs in the repository. Then after that, we will scanning the image, then pushing that image to Docker Hub and deploy to container. So I'm apply and save. Okay. Now go to now we are on the application. Okay, newly created project. So we need to manually build that application. So click on build now.
I had one question.
Yes.
So Jenkins, you completely operate through a browser window,
Yes, yes, yes.
and you open the browser window on your virtual machine.
Not virtual machine. Now I open the Jenkins in my local machine, right?
Okay. Oh, okay.
Using
So your local machine, you installed Jenkins on your local machine.
no. On that,
Using that IP.
see how we will access the Jenkins public IP of that EC2 machine. We taken one virtual machine. See,
Okay.
this is my Ubuntu machine, okay, where I install the Jenkins. That open source code we taken from the official Jenkins website and run the application. So we can access the application using the public IP and the port number. So actually the application belongs to our EC2 machine.
Is this the EC2 created yesterday or today, Tawfiq?
Yesterday,
Okay, you didn't close that one? I mean, you didn't terminate that one?
sorry.
No, that EC2 instance machine, you didn't turn off? You didn't
Yes,
log off that one?
I turned off.
Yeah,
Since
once
it's
you
a
turn off and
large machine. Yeah.
if you turn off and turn on again, the IP number will get changed, right?
Yeah, it's changed. It's changed.
Okay. We need to change it in the Sonar Cube also.
Yes, I also changed.
Okay, fine. Got it.
So we can go to the solar cube, okay, because everything is successful over here. You can see success. That means these are the stages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, 8 stages are there. First stage is for declaring tool installation, okay. So from git checkout the first stage, and the last stage is deploy container. So everything is successful. And how much time it will take for each stage, you can see here. So go to the Sonar cube for seeing that project. That means the Jenkins will create something here. Like yeah, see, it's created this Python web app details, and here we can see everything is passed. Then 10 bugs are there. No vulnerability. No hotspot reviewed. One code smell here. Seems everything is good for this application code, and we can go see all conditions passed.
The 10 bucks which you shown, is that okay to go?
These are the 10 bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, it will like given the what we need to do, like add lang and or XLM lang and go to HTML elements. I mean, that SonarQube suggests what to do with that corresponding line, okay, line of code.
It will, I mean, this is just for the source code file, right? Which is in GitHub.
Yes.
Oh,
This is a
okay.
file actually. This is a corresponding file.
Okay.
So it's application templates base.html. I will show you that file. This is a file, okay. Source. What is that? Source app templates. Base HTML. So this is a HTML page, okay, base HTML. Source image, fine. Yeah, this is the same file. I mean, from here, this is a base file, okay, base HTML file, and in this file, some bugs are there, okay. That's the SonarQube will listed here. The next thing is add an alt attribute to the image. Similarly, it will shows what are the things that you need to alter or adding like that.
On what circumstances we are going to inform developer because it is showing past?
We will get that logs based on we will get the result actually. I'll show you. SonarQube. So we can share that output with them so they can easily identify it. So they can access this dashboard as well.
Okay.
See the security, what security hotspots? Okay, so one security hotspots it's fine. That is, make sure disable CSRF protection is safe. This is Python based application. That is, we need to change to disabling. Okay, so that CSRF protection. So here we can see the Sonar Cube, call tickets, and dependency check, everything we can see here on that Jenkins. So it will give the reports. Okay, this is for the dependency checking report. See, no vulnerability is found. This is for the dependencies. Okay, so if everything is, I mean, they can find it will list here. So we can verify. Okay, see, go to that where Docker Hub to see that latest push, I mean, image pushed or not. See, 8 minutes ago, one image pushed, and verify that our EC2 machine, that image created here, I mean, our container is running or not. Docker PS. Yes, 8 minutes ago. This is our application container. Status is up. So we can access that. I already opened the port number that the specific application running. Okay, that is 5000. I opened that. So I need to IP. Copy the public IP of the same EC2 machine and adding that port number to okay. So 5000 is the application port number. So this is application. So this is a monitoring application, I think. So it will monitoring our CPU details and everything. These are the details of the EC2 machine. Okay. So that application gathering the details and listed here, right? So the OS version is 22. So Ubuntu, OS platform, Linux, boot time. This is the yes. Now we are coming to SonarCube dashboard from Jenkins. I already opened that. Then go when we go to the corresponding build stage, we can see the logs as well. Okay, for example, we need to see the Trivy scanning report. So every report we can see in the dashboard. See, these are the logs, and go to Trivy log, and here we can see the result as well. See, this is the result file system, and there is one high things there, medium, everything is listed. Total two things they find under the source requirement.pip. Status fixed. Then go to Sonar Cube analysis. These are the analysis report. So here we can see then image scanning. This is the image scanning report. For the dependency check report, we need to go to this directory, or we can directly go to the, I mean, yeah, click on this. So we already go there, but we didn't see anything because there is no dependency issues there. So anyone have any doubt?
No doubt.
So if I give the same task with the commands and the requirement, all of you can follow, right? Today or whenever you get free time.
Yes.
I'll try to add one manual push as well. Okay. This is the way we are adding that webhook, creating webhook connection from GitHub to Jenkins. So we can, after this, there's a connection between these two services. Okay, delete. So click on add webhook. First, we need to go to the application repository, then go to settings, then select webhook. And here we need to provide the payroll URL. After, we need to mention GitHub webhook and add webhook. So after adding, we will see one tick mark here. Okay. See, it's ticked. Last delivery was successful. So I'm trying to change some code in this repository. You can see it works or not. So click on edit to edit the file. Okay. This is a way we adding something to the existing file from GitHub repository. I'm adding some change. Go to the dashboard to see everything is pushed or not. One is in queue actually. See. See, the last part is failed. Deploying to container. Okay. So we can check that. Okay, this is actually what happened because still, see, now the application in here, okay, there is the application is running and used the port number 5000 for the previous application. Okay, this is a previous application. Now we are trying to deploy the latest same application and using the same port numbers. That's why we will get that error like the previous, I mean, the port number 5000 is used. Okay. See, the binding for 5000 failed because that port already taken by the same service, I mean, same application that we deployed earlier. So in this case, we need to remove. Okay, I need to kill that, kill the first container, or else we need to add what I mean, add the commands within the same pipeline before deploying, first we need to remove the applications within the infrastructure. Okay. So Jenkins will remove this application and deploy the latest version. I'm trying to build once again. Build now. I'm stopping this build because this is built by me. I'm again pushing from the GitHub. Yes, it's all about it. So committed. So something, I mean, the code is changed in the GitHub. So Jenkins knows something happened. See, the fourth build started. Sorry, yeah, the fourth one. So this will started from GitHub.
It is creating a new row for every build. So you have
Yes,
like a history.
yes, yes. See, before is Python demo, now is Python display. See the change.
Yes.
This one.
Jenkins will automatically start building when we do the when we commit the changes in GitHub, right?
Right,
We're
right.
not go- we don't want to
Yes,
go and
yes.
build manually.
This is not manual build. This is built by Jenkins. So, I mean, Jenkins knows something happened. So, I mean, some changes happen in the repository. So, it will take the new changes.
Okay.
Build all the thing. I mean, go through the all pages like
Eh,
checkout, against scanning, private, sonar, everything is go through.
any configuration we have to do to get the automatic build when you do the changes in the GitHub?
That's why we created the pipeline, right? Scripting, GUI script. And one more thing that we need to change, like go to the configuration and
Okay.
see, I added that GitHub project name. So these are the two things I added. One is
Yes.
this and the build trigger. How the build trigger happen? So the build trigger happening via GitHub hook trigger for Git SCM polling. So whenever I mean, the existing
Okay.
repository have any changes, so this will trigger. I mean, Jenkins
Okay.
will taking the code again and
Okay.
go
Okay.
through the
Actually,
each stages.
when I was creating some projects through Jenkins, Jenkins pipelines, every time I was going and building manually.
No need. Because here we need to add these two things. Otherwise, we
Yes.
need to go manually because not trigger happen, right?
Okay.
This is a single entity. So now,
Okay.
what are things I do? I enable this one, I mean, build trigger and provide the name. Then what will do? What I did, like, uh, come here and added this webbook settings. See, here this is my Jenkins URL. I mean, this is a payload, okay? So the last payload was successful, everything's fine. So that so me though so we can say like these two services are connected and Jenkins already monitoring this account repository.
Okay.
Can I ask one question?
Yes.
What exactly is webhook? Is it a web API for you to access?
Yes, it's like similar like a API connection.
So just
A
like
hook.
you had Jenkins, you went to your public IP address and the right port, and were able to use Jenkins to monitor it remotely, right? Is that like
Yes.
one example of a webhook?
Yes.
Okay.
So anyone have any doubt?
No doubt.
Okay. Then we can wind up, right? Then I will share the same task now,
Yes.
and please try to go through, okay? Whenever you
Sir,
have the free time.
yeah, so you're gonna send the all the commands or like steps like
Yes, I will share. I will share.
don't have a videos now for this thing. It will come
I
after
already
some
sent to
few
the
days, I
person to
guess.
upload. Yeah, I sent to the videos to the person and waiting for the URL actually.
Right, because Kubernetes we didn't get any video, I guess.
Yes. Till that,
Yeah.
I think is pending from, I think 3 to 5 videos are pending. Yes, I will
Yes,
share.
all the Kubernetes. I think you finished all the Docker section. Kubernetes from the beginning we need.
No, okay.
I mean, that's what I think. So we need to check basically.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Mhm. Then all of you, we can wind up, right?
Sure. Thank you for the
Yep.
class. Have a
And
good
sir,
morning, Professor.
yeah, bye. Sir, I have one more question.
Yes,
In my
please.
case, my Sonar Cube was not working, remember, day before yesterday. So it is still the same, but I installed and configured the like on my local host. So now I can, use the Sonar Cube. So I think I won't be having any issue in that case.
Can you share the screen? We can troubleshoot it.
Troubleshoot like what? The EC2 one.
Oh, yes. So for SonarCube, whenever we first install, when trying to log in, there is so many pop-ups are there. Okay. So if any pop-ups is blocked by your browser or the browser settings, then we need to face some issues, I think.
I don't know. You just gave me the command, so I just followed those, and finally the end result was the same. And there, in between, there was no pop-up. Everything was going in flow.
Okay.
And the problem is like with my all machines, the same thing is happening with and without Wi-Fi. And yeah, so today I installed the Sonar Cube like localhost, and I'm able to